नमस्ते बिटियाओं, हमेशा खुश रहिए बिटियाओं। आई जेविन डॉक्टर पुष्पा कुमावत, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम्योपैथी फार्मेसी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथी साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, वेलकम्स you all on the digital version 2.0. Today is the practical is sublimation. Aim: the separate the ingredients of a mixture of sand and iodine through the sublimation. Principle: the separation of ingredients of a mixture, iodine can be sublimated on not the sand. It is possible to separate sand from the iodine by process of sublimation. Apparatus: a evaporating porcelain basin, a funnel with long stem with wide mouth, a few pieces of filter paper, a mortar and pestle, tripod stand, sand bath, Bunsen burner, etc. Procedure: the given mixture of sand and iodine camphor is taken in the mortar and thoroughly mixed with the help of the pestle. The mixture of then is transferred into the evaporating basin, which is placed into the sand bath over the tripod stand. The mixture is in the basin is covered by the funnel placed in the inverted position. The outer surfaces and the stem of which are wrapped with the filter paper soaked in the water. Now the basin with the mixture is warmed slowly by heating the sand bath with the Bunsen burner below the bath. Iodine will be sublime and collect in the cooled inner surface of the funnel in the form of small violet crystals. After some time, when the sublimation is supposed to be complete, the burner is put off. The basin is taken out of the sand bath and allowed to cool. The funnel is then taken out and the iodine is collected by the scraping of inner surfaces of the funnel. There's the diagram of sublimation. You can see the iodine crystal in the inner surface of funnel and the mixture of iodine and sand Bunsen burner for heating of the porcelain basin. Thank you so much.